Hello everyone and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. Andy and I have had a great one, just hanging out, waiting for Chuy to come home. Just 2 more nights and then he'll be here. We can't wait. We had a little drama this morning. I turned on the computer to start editing my first Vlogmas video and the screen was just filled with all sorts of code and numbers and letters and stuff, and luckily my friend Caleb was able to come and resolve the issue. Crisis averted. We didn't have to buy a new Mac, and now I'm just settling down watching some Food Network Christmas cookie specials. Those are always fun to watch. Get myself psyched so that I can, start doing some cookies next weekend. And I thought I would share how we did our Christmas tree this year. It's not really a tree. For those of you who watched last year, we don't buy a Christmas tree. I'm really concerned that Andy, I'm not concerned he might chew on it. I know he will chew on it. So instead of a tree, we have this. I bought these 3 really pretty glass containers and we put all of our ornaments in them and intertwine them with sprinkle lights. Last year we put it up here on top of the TV and look, yeah, see, cookie baking show. I thought this would be a little nicer, having it closer. I miss being able to really see the details of the ornaments when it was up there on the tree last year. So yeah, I think this is nice. Here's my little buddy. He's just so stinking cute. This blanket is the only thing he makes biscuits on. The only thing. And just this side. He doesn't do it to the plaid side. It's been raining all day today and I just didn't want to go outside. And besides our ornaments, that's the only Christmassy thing here that I have to share with you. Haven't started my Christmas cookie baking or anything. I wanted to wait till Chuy got home for that. So from Andy and I, hope you had a wonderful weekend and we'll see you tomorrow with some more Christmas stuff. Ko-osh.